Delight, Ebro. Sompa Delight, where entertainment meets impact.
106.5.
It's a celebration, a time of Holy Spirit-inspired music, theater, and word ministrations. Harvest International Ministries presents Harvest Praise 2026, the Restoration Edition. It's time to return to our first love and rebuild the broken altars. The Evergreen Harvest Gospel Choir will host the legendary Tego Sisters, the anointed PSA Esther, the youthful team Eternity Ghana, plus a power-packed, life-transforming drama performance by the Harvest Theatre. It's on Good Friday, 3rd April 2026, 4 p.m. prompt at the First Love Center, East Legon. Guess what? It's free, but you must register. To register, dial *725 *1155 hash on all networks. Harvest Praise, get your praise on.
21st Clinic aye sciatica expert. Sciatica no wo nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no. Se ho techema eno ene efa ne sciatica. Na etimi bubu wo to ase ka wo se dwe wo siremu wo je ho ba bia enye. Na no na 21st Clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo ma je ne wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa. Wo mu je international awards ahodo, wo mu je local awards ahodo. Na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa. Bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia je 21st Clinic in Kwa. Woman dear bibidro and the best on ya no masa the machine account. Eya sabia yare bia wutimi de kone mama dear baku and woman gidi womu pano. Eya sciatica and a stroke so the kwa diabetes ni hypertension ni adeni ade. Ghana ha bebia womu and cry ha. Say ye what Tantra Hill runabout. Se wufi and cry eba. Ye wo wansani faso. Ufra masama so ne bansua. Won sabunkum so. E hona wo behu ye. Fre 0540 311 311 0540 311 311. There's a 21st Clinic. Still, woman is sciatica expert.